Now, Africa has taken a giant step towards developing its own COVID-19 vaccine with the presentation of an $800,000 sequencing equipment to the Noguchi Memorial Institute for Medical Research. This equipment will help in identifying the various genomes of the virus in Ghana to help give the Africa CDC a fair idea about the number of possible variants of the virus that may be on the continent to lead the continent to develop the right vaccines for COVID-19. John News' Samuel Brace has more in this report.
According to the World Health Organization, Africa's total COVID-19 cases as of today is 8,219,644, with some 170,270 deaths. In the height of the pandemic, the continent was looking everywhere for vaccine support from all around the world to support its people. This exposed how unprepared we are at dealing with such outbreaks. But the program lead for the pathogen genomics at the Africa CDC, Dr. Sophonias Tesema, speaking in an exclusive interview with Joy News at the sidelines of the presentation exercise, explained how close we are to developing our own COVID-19 vaccines.
This will take us one step closer to understanding our pathogens in the design of diagnostics, vaccines, and therapeutics. In order to design a vaccine, we need to know what pathogens do we have. And the sequencing capacity actually gives us the potential to know, the capacity to know what kind of pathogens do we have. So this is part of the vaccine development process.
He explained how Africa devised its own strategy to increase its sequencing output.
And in our network, the University of Ghana, Noguchi Medical Research Institute, is a regional sequencing hub designed to support Ghana and 5 other countries in the region. So with this approach, we were able to increase the sequencing output across the continent. In 2020, we had only 5,000 sequences. Now we have 100,000, almost 100,000 sequences in Africa. So this increase actually came through the continental network, which leveraged the capacity that existed in institutions like Noguchi and expand that capacity with additional equipments that you saw today.
The director of the Noguchi Memorial Institute for Research, Professor Dorothy Yabuamenu, said these equipment will boost the COVID-19 research capacity of the facility.
This is very crucial. I think with the COVID, everybody has understanding of variants, mutations, and variants of concern. And we cannot wait for the virus to take us unaware. So what it requires for us is that we have to routinely continue to survey for the emergence of new variants. This machine is going to give us that opportunity, such that now Noguchi has the capacity to sequence 2,000 genomes in a week.
Reporting for Joy News, I am Samuel Kojo Brace, Legon.